With COVID-19 hospitalizations and deaths climbing across Oregon, some smaller communities now are running out of room, not just in their hospitals, but in funeral homes. 2 counties are now asking for help from the state to store bodies. Fox 12's Bridget Chavez is live in Northwest Portland now with more on when refrigeration trucks are expected to arrive. Bridget?
Yeah, Wayne, Tillamook and Josephine counties are the 2 that requested these refrigeration trucks. Tillamook already has theirs, and they expect to hook it up and get it going this week, while Josephine expects that theirs will arrive later this week. Not only are hospitals in Oregon reaching their limit with COVID-19 patients, but now smaller counties seeing COVID-19 deaths spike don't have enough space to store the bodies.
We only have 1 funeral home, and the death rates have exceeded the capacity of the local funeral home, who requested to see if I could get a refrigerator truck to help with the overflow that they're experiencing right now.
Gordon McCraw is the emergency management director for Tillamook County. He tells me things there are getting worse, and the funeral home there can only handle 9 bodies at a time. The truck they have now is from Klamath County, and Gordon says they'll start using it this week.
There were 8 deaths in August. Prior to August, we only had 5 from the beginning of this thing.
In Josephine County, emergency manager Emily Ring tells me they're not in crisis mode yet, but they've also made the request for a truck to store bodies.
Mass fatality events can happen quite quickly and can kind of cause a cascade of domino effects within small rural communities like ours. So it's always good to be able to reach out and have some resources in play. We're not at that point yet, but like I said, the reasons for concern are becoming more evident.
Ring says they're still working on a final agreement, but expect the truck to get there later this week. McCraw says Tillamook is now seeing a test positivity rate for COVID-19 of more than 20%. That means for every 100 people tested, at least 20 are positive. He's urging people, if they haven't already, to get vaccinated.
If you're on the fence right now whether you should get the shot or not, now's a good time to get it. And if you thought we cried wolf before, the friend of mine's put it the best. He said, the wolf's knocking on your door.
And to put it a little more in context of just what Tillamook County is dealing with, in July, they had 81 total cases of COVID-19. This month, and we're not even done with August yet, they're at 699. And again, McCraw is urging anyone who has not gotten the shot to do so immediately. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Bridget Chavez, Fox 12 Oregon.